Well, I love the theme of this bond issue, and that is that you are worthy. It tells all of our students and our staff members and our parents and anybody in the Union District that you are worthy.
Our kids are worthy of the very best facilities and the very best learning opportunities that we can offer. This bond issue has something for everyone. It does not raise taxes beyond traditional levels. It is an investment in our kids from pre-K all the way through graduation.
As we know in Oklahoma, bond issues are the lifeblood of a school's existence. In our district, we have set such high standards that we absolutely have to have these bond issues to maintain the level of excellence and to also offer many dynamic programs.
The 5-year series bond allows us to plan ahead, and many of our projects take more than 1 year, and this allows us that security.
The signature project of this bond issue is going to be the transformation of the 6th and 7th grade center. We want our 6th grade center to be more elementary-like, and we need a new gymnasium, we need to modify our cafeteria, and certainly you're going to have to retrofit the restrooms and just really the whole campus in general.
Being a large middle school, we want to create smaller environments, and so our goal really is to create multiple mini schools within one large school.
We know there's a small community in those elementaries. We want to have that same community and ownership feel. I mean, they are coming together to be the Union Red Hawks here.
We've got our classrooms set up as teams. With the remodel, we're hoping that when you're in that space that there are signs of student learning. The colors are everywhere of that team space. We're going to have more of these common areas that we can sit there and meet with our teams as a whole. We're going to be getting additional bathrooms. Right now, one wing has one bathroom. A lot of the pathways for kids to transition are not being utilized because we don't want to disrupt 6th grade on the first floor. We're hoping to make use of all of our stairwells, all of our pathways.
Traditionally, we've had 1 grade upstairs and 1 grade downstairs. We're going to switch that around to have 1 grade on the east side of the building and another grade on the west side of the building. We're going to create separate entrances. We're adding a gym on the west side. That gym is not only going to provide some PE space for our 6th and 7th grade center, it's also going to be reinforced against weather events, and it's also going to be used as a dedicated practice facility, complete with locker rooms for our spirit teams.
Currently, we serve lunch, just lunch, from 10:50 to about 2:35. The new structure would allow us to work more with 2 cafeterias, hopefully improve some of that timing of lunch, and just kind of limit some of that noise.
When it's all said and done, we have a building that's much more conducive to the age level that we're serving by way of a 6th grade center and then a 7th grade center.
We pride ourselves at Union with providing students with all the necessary materials that they need to succeed in school.
Part of this bond is both hardware and software purchases. They're going to help us create good digital citizens and make sure kids have all the digital tools they need. District facilities for athletics and fine arts are some of the very best things that we offer to students, and some of these facilities are in great need of an upgrade. In particular, our Performing Arts Center.
It's a program where they can thrive and shine and discover who they are by doing theater, by being on stage. If you're coming in, it looks amazing, but if you go to the back of house, it's just really worn, light switches, the ceiling, shower's not usable. We have outside groups that rent the facilities as well, and that's also revenue for our school and for our programs. And so we want all the facilities to be updated and to be excellent for everyone that uses them.
We're going to do some lighting upgrades. Not only going to look better, but it's also going to be a lot more energy efficient. We're also going to do some upgrades to the lighting and the sound system in the UMAC. We're going to replace the scoreboard. These are very old and in definite need of upgrades. This bond issue includes some turf replacement and some playing surface replacement around the district for our athletes.
We've got the tennis courts that we want to resurface. We have the high school track, infield, the baseball, softball indoor facility, then the soccer complex.
Our aquatics facility at our 6th, 7th grade center, it's in need of some upgrades on this bond issue. Athletics and fine arts is always in need of things like instruments, equipment, uniforms. These things wear out over the years, and this bond issue is going to provide a lot of those things. There is something for every school site in this bond issue. There's a great deal of maintenance and upkeep. When you look at the list, there's a lot of roofing repair, playground repair and replacement, flooring projects, millwork projects that are the cabinets and built-ins around the district. We are in great need of a lot of repaving projects.
HVAC systems, it's lighting systems, it's material replacement such as carpet.
There's so much that needs to be upgraded, and we're excited to be able to do that to give our kids and our teachers the very best facilities possible.
They're worthy of having these types of facilities. Our primary objective is the promotion of learning, but the most important thing that we do is to provide for the safety and the security of our students and our staff.
We're going to be purchasing some more security cameras, some upgrades to our security system, and we're going to make sure that we have the safest facility that we possibly can for our kids. Our bond vote is February 14th. It's so important that as many patrons as possible get out and vote, realizing that this bond issue will not raise taxes beyond our traditional levels, and it's such a great investment in our kids.
Ultimately, it's all part of our goal of 100% graduation college and career ready, and enriches the learning experience for our students.
If we can create the best environment for them, that's what we're going to do.
They will rise to the level of excellence that you're able to invest in them.
This bond project is great for our kids, it's great for our community, it's great for Union.
Our students are worthy.